Mixed reality has been increasingly considered to support scenarios of remote collaboration. In asynchronous remote collaboration, team members rely on notifications to be aware of new content being available to proceed the task, whether it be a description of the problem by the on-site worker or the steps to be followed to solve the issue devised by the remote expert. In this regard, this work is a first effort to study how different notification alternatives are experienced by team members. We first focused on the remote expert part. While awaiting for new content from the on-site worker, the remote expert needed to be doing a tangram puzzle. This was to simulate the allocation of attention to other tasks while waiting. Notifications could be provided through visual or audio cues in the laptop or tactile cues from a wristband. Upon receiving the notification, the remote expert needed to address the task and send content to the on-site worker. In this scenario, participants prefer the tactile feedback, reporting less mental effort, more awareness about the notification, and more satisfaction overall. We then focused on the on-site part. While waiting for a response from the remote expert, the worker was also tasked with doing a tangram puzzle, thus simulating the allocation of attention to other chores. The notifications could come from visual or audio cues provided by the handheld device or from tactile cues from a wristband. Upon receiving them, the worker needed to follow them and ask for more feedback from the remote expert. Once again, the tactile notifications had the advantage, with advantages in allocating the participant's attention and less mental effort required. Overall, this provides some interesting preliminary findings on this topic and opened routes for further evolving the research, namely by expanding the range of devices considered, diversifying the contexts and tasks, and studying the role of personalization in that regard, and increasing the ecology of the experimental environment, example, by conducting the studies in industrial environments.